Hi everybody, I'm Keith Abraham. For the last 24 years, I've spoken in 33 different countries to more than 1.6 million people. I've written 5 best-selling books published in 12 different languages. And I gotta tell you, I never saw this coming. The crisis, this challenge that we're in right now. But like you, like me, over the last 8 weeks, I've had to evolve, change, pivot, whatever you want to call it. And I've learned some significant insights that I'd love to share with you about how do you create compelling virtual presentations, virtual workshops, virtual coaching, so that your people walk away and they are engaged, enthused, energized, and compelled to implement, to change with these times we're in right now. You know, it comes down to 3 things. It comes down to engagement. It's like, how do you engage with people moving from the stage to the screen? The second thing is empowerment. We have to give our people, the people that work for us and with us, we have to give them knowledge and insights, ideas, information, and a little bit of inspiration to be able to help them to become empowered. Let me share with you what I do to really get people engaged, and let me share with you how we empower people to not just face the crisis, not just go through the crisis, but to grow through it. I have 3 digital SLR cameras, 4K video, 4 sets of lights to make sure that I've got plenty of light on me and the participants can see me and hear me. I've got this Sony wireless professional microphone, which gives me the ability to move around here and people to not have any differentiation in the audio. The next, of course, is the plasma screen, and I sometimes use this for the slides. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, why not just slide share? People get a chance to see the message, but also see me demonstrate and refer to it as part of that process. And that becomes more engaging. Now, how do I make all of this work, including the music that the participants hear? Well, it's all done through the Blackmagic ATEM Mini Pro. And that gives me the ability to switch through cameras. It gives me the ability to be here in front of a screen, sharing slides. It gives me the ability to stand alongside a flip chart. People love the engagement, and it gives me the chance to be in front of the computer, to chat with people and to respond to the questions, to the comments that people put in the chat box. Now, when you can combine all of this equipment, it's simple. Why simple? I don't need 2 or 3 operators. It takes all the things that could go wrong out of it. And so this gives the ability for me to present anywhere in the world, any time of day in the world, to any person in the world. So that's a wrap. You know, if you want to create an experience that's educational, that energizes and enthuses your people, then you have to make sure that you've got content that's engaging, equipment that supports it, and it ensures that you create an experience for people that empowers them to go out and be bigger, bolder, and better. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.